My ATech advantage is the knowledge I learned from my lab to transfer over to a high-paying job straight out of high school. I'm Dustin Demattia. I graduated in 2016 from the Precision Machining Lab. I now work at Mechanical Dynamics and Analysis, machinist there. I refurbish, remanufacture most of the parts from nuclear steam and gas turbines for power plants, so keep the lights on. We work long hours, but it's totally worth it. The main thing I like about it is I do not work on the same part, so I don't make piece parts. That's the amazing thing about this job is I'm not making 4,000 parts at a time, 10,000 parts at a time. I'm always touching something new. Just about everything basic that I needed to know, I learned from Mr. Maurer and ATech. Anything from reading micrometers to simple programming, which has helped me a long way. Everything a machinist needs to know to step his foot in the door at any machine shop in the country, you learn from this 2-year program.
ATech education for success.